This 2018 Lexus GX1 owner full warranty is brought to you by YARUBB Enterprise LLC. This is a one-owner 2018 Lexus GX 460W/Tech package navigation with 17K miles. It has leather, sunroof, USB, Bluetooth, backup camera, parking sensors, heated and memory seats and smart key W/push button start. It also features blind spot monitors and Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system. It is a non-smoker vehicle in excellent condition. It is automatic, PWR windows and locks, cruise, CD, keyless entry, PWR seat. It runs and drives excellent. It is a CARFAX certified, non-smoker vehicle with maintenance record and comes with full remainder factory warranty. It has been inspected and guaranteed for engine, transmission, frame, and structure. Fully loaded, this car is really one of the kind. It has all the accessories available. It is fully loaded. This vehicle runs and drives great. Take it for a test